एवरीवन, आई एम सिमरन नागपाल फ्रॉम दिल्ली ग्लैमर्स और आज मैं आपके साथ खड़ी हूँ राइज एंड शाइन इवेंट में। मेरे साथ खड़े हैं एक बहुत ही ग्रैंड पर्सनालिटी एंड हर नेम इज ज़ैबी द मिस्टीक मैसेंजर। यू नो, नेम सेज इट ऑल, द मिस्टीक मैसेंजर। नाउ बिफोर आई से एनीथिंग, लेट्स हियर इट आउट फ्रॉम हर हु शी इज। Hi ma'am, so wonderful to have you with us here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful for you guys to, being here and covering us and giving us time. Thank you so much.
It's indeed our pleasure to have people like you coming to our platform, ma'am. So I would like to know, what do you do? Although I have attended your meditation session just right now and I felt so relaxed, but I would like to know more of you.
Thank you so much. I'm glad that you enjoyed the meditation. So I'm a born psychic, and by profession I am a tarot reader, I'm a healer, I'm a numerologist and a life coach. And I think as a child when I was born, I think I was more like a kind-hearted kid, who wants to share happiness with the world. And I think that's the reason why I'm onto this path, And then God blessed me with few gifts which I used to, help humanity. And I will say every soul has the spark. So I just go, I just hug them and remind them how special they are. Because I believe, we are not less. We are not less from anyone, and we all deserve that chance. So my whole, journey is like, revolving around to reminding people. That's why I call myself messenger, because I believe God has sent me for this purpose, that remind the world how capable, how beautiful they are. So that's it, yeah.
सो वेरी वेल सेड मैम, बिकॉज बहुत ही कम ऐसे लोग होते हैं दुनिया में जो आपको ये महसूस करा सकते हैं कि हमारे अंदर कितनी खूबियाँ हैं। एंड आई थिंक यू आर डूइंग वंडरफुली वेल एंड द ऑरा दैट यू कैरी, I mean, it's so mesmerizing because the moment...
This is the love which I receive from everybody, This is what that is. I think, as I said, that we all are born from that beautiful energy, and I think I'm receiving it from everybody, Whenever I connect with people, the love, the respect which I get, I think this is that glow. This is that, energy around me. Yeah.
I truly agree to it because the moment I saw you, I really felt like hugging you.
You can hug me. Yeah.
Thank you. So, ma'am, you've been awarded here. How are you feeling to be receiving such an award?
So I came as a speaker last year. I received the award, and because I think my and their motive is same. Maybe the ways are different because I am also motivating the world, right? And they are motivating the women. So I think this is a wonderful platform for me also to connect and to share those energies, because I think there are two ways how we are helping. So they are helping them on the practical grounds, on the outer surface where they talk about career, and I am giving the power inside, because if inside they are strong and outside, just imagine what wonderful journey they can have. So that's the main reason why I'm associated with these people, and I'm so thankful, and I'm so glad that I'm part of it. That's it, yeah.
So, ma'am, what do you have to say about women? Basically, we are here to celebrate womanhood. The awards are for women. But do you really think that women need empowerment, or they're already empowered?
See, I believe every soul is empowered already, okay? And I think it was the belief which always, stopped women, okay? I think the way we nurtured, if you see the past, the scenarios, the way they used to upbring their girl child. So that was something way back. Now women knows who she is. So she doesn't need to, empowered. She needs to just remind she's blessed with that same energy. And I never compare men and women, in fact. I always says they have a very, very beautiful, part to play in life. Male has to do a different, journey. I really appreciate the way, our fathers, husbands, brothers, friends are helping us. So it is both the ways. I mean, it's beautiful, but yes, woman is blessed with more power somewhere, I think God has given something extra to a woman. So sorry guys, sorry to all the males, but yeah, we are blessed with something magical, and we love to keep sharing that. Yeah. So that's how I think woman needs to just remind that she can do anything, nothing. She doesn't need empowerment. So yeah, that's there.
So I'm sure all my viewers would be really feeling so glad, because all my women viewers, unko aaj pata chal gaya hoga that we don't need anything because we're already empowered. And it's so good to have a beautiful person like you on our podium of Delhi Glamours. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I wish you guys very good luck for your further journey, and I'm sure you are going to make so many people rise. Thank you so much. Yeah,
it's indeed such a great compliment that I've received in a day. Thank you, my viewers. And here's Simran from the podium of Delhi Glamour. Ciao.